The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Smith County in southwestern Virginia, Tazewell County in southwestern Virginia, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Allison Gap, or near Saltville, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ridgelands, Tazewell, Saltville, Chilhowie, Cedar Bluff, Pocahontas, and Raven. Central Grayson County in southwestern Virginia until 7 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sugar Grove, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Whiteville, Rural Retreat, Max Meadows, Mount Rogers National Recreation Area, Speedwell, Sugar Grove, and Patterson. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Grayson, Virginia. This is NOAA weather. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Pulaski County in southwestern Virginia, southwestern Giles County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Bland County in southwestern Virginia, northeastern Wood County in southwestern Virginia, until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Max Meadows, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pulaski, Wytheville, Dublin, Max Meadows, Allisonia, Poplar Hill, and Mechanicsburg. Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm in Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, southwestern Floyd County in southwestern Virginia, eastern Carroll County in southwestern Virginia, Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bottom, moving northeast at 80 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Airy, Flat Rock, Hillsville, Dobson, Stewart, Indian Valley, and Fancy Gap. Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Stokes County, northwestern Rockingham County, southwestern Pittsylvania County, the city of Martinsville, Henry County, eastern Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, southern Franklin County, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Charity to Patrick Springs to near Collinstown, moving east at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eden, Martinsville, Stewart, Axton, Spencer, Collins, and Bassett. This includes the following locations: the Martinsville Speedway and Martinsville Airport.